Okay, friends, I understand that we have an issue where seemingly randomly a audio track, like your Pastor Pads track over here, will be playing and then it will just stop playing in the middle of maybe Pastor Victor's message. Well, I think part of the issue with that is, and I'm just going to click just 7 because I know that's one we mentioned. So you can see it's playing there. If I click on this slide, if you watch right here, it's going to kill the audio, right? The reason is because this is set to foreground. Now notice the difference between this symbol and this symbol. This symbol, the icon, it represents the back, it's set to background, and this symbol represents that it's the foreground. And it's just the difference between where the white square is placed. If the white square is on the top and the gray square is on the bottom, that means this is set to foreground. If the white square is on the bottom and the gray square is on the top, that means it's set to background. And I can prove that that is the case because if I play that audio track again, and then I click on either of these slides, you can see the audio keeps going. But if I click on this slide, or actually, let me just change this to a foreground and then go to media action behavior and change to foreground. You can see it just flopped. Now when I click on it, it's gonna kill the audio. So if you're experiencing audio dropouts, that's probably the reason why. And so just make sure that your slides, as you import them for the message, that you right click, go to media action behavior and set background. I wish there was a easier way to do that, but we can't create a macro for that. It just doesn't work like that, unfortunately.